Good morning. Today is Friday. Time in Sydney, Australia right now is 7:46 a.m. Date 1st of July 2022. This is the second part of the video I'm gonna upload on the YouTube channel very soon regarding US dollar against Singapore dollars as a currency. We upload the video about 23 hours ago yesterday I already. Before I go to the chart, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. We are not signal company. We are not responsible for your action. We are not responsible for your trade. This is only education and information side, as I always say. Okay? I go to the chart and I explain to you guys what happened. Yesterday we announced market is here, and we said market is heading down to TP1, this black line, TP1, TP2 and TP3. Before anything happening, there was nothing, no price here. The system we use is different than other people. We don't claim that we are perfect in Forex, in trading. Anything might happen. Red news come up. Sometimes you miss something and then you lose the trade. But the system we have, thanks God, my friend, he developed. He give us the signal. We find a hidden support and resistance in the past. We mark it up like this black line, these two red line. And when we get the signal, we enter to the market. If you don't believe me, if you go to our YouTube channel, you will see it. 23 hours ago, we upload this video before anything happened, and we show the direction of the US dollar against Singapore, where it's heading down. Other people, what they do, they go through the pattern that they have offline, they mark it up and then they make the video and then upload it. Or if they have any successful trade, then upload that video. If they don't have, they don't upload that video, they lose. We don't do that. We upload the video before anything happens, because we are not scared of a stop loss, or if we lose, doesn't matter. We enter to the market and we recover. Let me show you something. I paused the video because I have to go to my other profile. This is only for currency pair. I'm going to go to the index. Just 1 second, I'll show you the Bitcoin that I did last week and we predict. Just 1 second, please. Yes, this is the Bitcoin in 1 hour time frame. That was upload on the YouTube channel. We say market was here. We say we entered to the market TP1 and TP2, and we had a stop loss here. Market went up and then hit our stop loss, but again we got the signal. We enter for recovery. We enter and we get our money. Everything actually is in this video. You can watch them. I think that was live trading Bitcoin in 1 hour time. I had 4 parts, so you can watch them. Bitcoin here, here, here. That was not last Saturday, the Saturday before. So we announced this. As you can see, market went up and never come down and just hit right now our TP1. Normally we get out of the trade in TP1. So we actually predict where the Bitcoin is heading to the 18,000. I have said this one to my friends and everyone, that Bitcoin is going to come back and hit the level, which just right now, this is the time, hit the level of 18,000. As you can see, 18,080.46. So in 1 hour time frame, that was here about more than 10 days ago, I think. Let me check when I upload that video. that 11 days ago we upload that video and we announced that Bitcoin where is heading to 11 days ago. Okay, so I go back to the chart again. I show you this. Let me pause and go back to the other profile and I'll come back to you. So this is my profile for the currency, and we have profile for the index and crypto. So however, as you can see, market, we enter here last night, we got a signal. Yesterday on the first video I promised that I'm gonna actually make all the information write it on this chart. Where is the TP1, where is the TP2, but I already make the line. But unfortunately yesterday we had a disaster at home. My daughter, little rabbit, was very sick. We took her to the vet, but unfortunately the rabbit died in the afternoon, and we were very upset, and I didn't like really come into the chart and making any video or watch it or write anything like this. So I left it because I have to be with my daughter and give her support. Anyway, last night at the end of the night when I came back and I look at the chart, I saw market around this area. We got a signal and I entered to the market. The signal was there, but I missed it, but I entered anyway. And normally we get out of the trade in the TP1 because market bounce back up again. We always say. So in the name of who this trade was successful, if you are really interested to watch and learn, this is our channel. We have Facebook, we have YouTube channel, we got Instagram, all in this name and this logo. This is actually copyright, and we are trying to teach you free of the charge. We are not after your money. We are not after credit card, email, telephone number. We are not after anything from you. This is all free of the charge. If you follow us on the YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, you will learn how to trade. Yesterday I mentioned something about the commission on the brokers. If you watch this video, I did, but I'm going to explain to you briefly again. As you can see, this red line and this blue line is a commission. When market close and waiting for the Sydney Open, which is 9 o'clock, another 1 hour time, normally you don't enter in the beginning of any market because the commission is so high. This blue line and this red line, when they are very close to each other, then you pay less commission. So don't enter to the market when these two lines are apart like this, because you lose money. If you don't know how to find out, if you go to the property, if you go to the show, if you tick bid price, ask price, this box, if I tick it off, see, the line goes away. And if you don't have those lines, you don't know how much commission you have to pay to the broker that you are actually doing. You might say, you know, you don't have it in the MT4. No, that is not in the MT4. This is in the MT5. Any MT5, any brokers, they should have this. So you go to the properties, and then you go to the show. You go bid price, ticket, ask price, ticket, okay, and then input comes. So always remember, this two line has to be very close to each other. Then you enter to the market to buy or sell, then you pay less commission. Alright. So this trade was on the 30 minutes time frame, and thanks God we went to the direction that we wanted, and it was successful. We closed the trade in the profit. We don't go for the TP2 or TP3. We might go back to the TP2, TP3, but the market, it goes up and down, up and down. So anyway, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer again. We are not signal company, as I always say. This is only education and information site. We are not responsible for your action. Okay. In the name of who, this trade and this prediction was successful. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. Thanks for watching. Yahoo! Done finish.